Water, the basic necessity for all forms of life on earth. It is possible to survive months without food, but only a few days without water. This is because about 60% of our body is made up of water. Drinking enough water is the first step to good health. Dehydration can affect us both physically and mentally. Let's have an insight on the importance of being hydrated on Impulse and Insight. Every system God created in our body depends on water to function. Drinking the right amount of water is hence crucial. But what is the right amount to drink? The NHS recommends to have 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. However, it is impossible to define an optimal intake as these vary according to our daily activity, climatic conditions, body mass, age, gender, kidney function, medications, etc. Staying hydrated is important. Its benefits include improving brain function. About 80% of your brain is water. Research shows that even mild dehydration can affect your memory and mood. Water helps to improve concentration and mental skills. It also plays a role in reducing stress and relieving headaches. So remember to keep your brain water happy. Helps you to work out better. Being adequately hydrated is very important when exercising. It helps to avoid muscle cramps and lubricates the joints in the body. Drinking water enables your muscles to work longer and harder before being tired, thus aiding in building your muscles. Lose weight. Not only is water 0 calories, it also increases metabolism. Drinking water before a meal can reduce your appetite and consume lesser calories each day. Research has also found drinking water can curb sugar cravings. So the next time you feel a sweet tooth, grab a glass of water. Prevent constipation. Water is required to keep things moving in the digestive tract. Being hydrated is essential to digest our food and prevent constipation. Maintain youthful skin. Water is the best anti-aging treatment around. It gets rid of wrinkles, moisturizes your skin, keeping it fresh, soft and glowy. Stay energized. Dehydration has been associated with increased fatigue, anger, and confusion. Proper hydration ensures that all the body cells work properly. It also maintains a healthy heart rate and blood pressure, overall boosting our energy levels. Prevent kidney stones. Staying well hydrated can help prevent the formation of stones. Water dilutes salts and minerals that might otherwise concentrate in kidneys, hence preventing kidney stones. In short, drinking water is critical for good health and vitality. Make sure to drink enough water each day. Stay hydrated.